Imagine a fighter jet that is nearly invisible to radar, capable of attacking before the enemy is aware, and sharing real-time combat information. This is the F-35 Lightning II, the 5th-generation fighter jet that is said to be the most advanced in the world. Today, we'll cover all sides of the F-35, its history, technology, combat capabilities, global adoption, and controversies. The F-35 was developed by the United States through the Joint Strike Fighter, JSF, program in the early 2000s. The goal? To replace aging jets in the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. Main variants: F-35A, conventional runway, F-35 STOVL, F-35C carrier. The F-35 is not just an ordinary fighter jet, but a multi-role platform. One of the advantages: stealth and sensor fusion. Radar, infrared cameras, and electronic systems are combined into a single display on the pilot's helmet. The pilot can see the battlefield, including the area below the aircraft. In that way, the F-35 is a flying command center. Missions: air superiority, precision strike, reconnaissance, electronic warfare. Armament: air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, targeting pods. Speed Mach 1.6, combat range plus or 1-200 km. In training, the F-35 outperforms 4th-generation jets. The F-35 is used by the US, UK, Japan, Australia, Italy, Norway. High interoperability, sharing real-time information in joint operations. The F-35 program faces criticism: high costs, delays, complexity. Some question whether the technology is worth the cost. The F-35 continues to be updated. Software, sensors, drone integration. Modern warfare is fast-paced, intelligent, and information-based. Is the F-35 the most advanced fighter jet in the world? In terms of technology and sensor integration, it's definitely a yes. What is certain is that the F-35 has changed the standard of global air dominance. But the F-35 story isn't over yet, because future warfare is no longer just about speed and maneuver. In the digital age, data is the ultimate weapon. The F-35 is designed as a combat network node. The loyal wingman concept is starting to be tested with combat drones. AI and software updates are key to improving capabilities. Challenges remain: operational costs and global geopolitics. The F-35 is not just an aircraft, but a symbol of technological dominance. Beneath all its sophistication, the F-35 is the largest and most expensive defense project in modern history. Thousands of engineers, dozens of partner nations, and a global supply chain are involved in a single combat platform. With so many user nations, the F-35 is slowly becoming the new standard of air power for Western allies. This means that in joint operations, they speak the same system language. On the other side of the world, competitors are emerging. Russia with the Su-57, China with the J-20. Both are designed to challenge 5th-generation air dominance. But the race is no longer about who is the most difficult to detect. Now the question is, who has the fastest network? Who can process data better? The air war has turned into an information war. Even the United States has developed 6th-generation concepts. Projects like Next Generation Air Dominance are designed to surpass the F-35. More autonomous, more integrated, more digital. The question now is, will the F-35 remain the backbone of air dominance for the next 2 decades? Or will it become a bridge to the era of pilotless fighters? What is clear is that the standard of air warfare has changed forever.